Ever felt like the traditional financial system and the exciting world of crypto just don't speak the same language? You're not alone. Banks often seem hesitant or even resistant to the whole crypto concept. So, what if you could have a bank that actually integrates with cryptocurrency? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. The rise of crypto and the banking blockade. Let's face it, cryptocurrency is here to stay. From Bitcoin's dominance to the ever-evolving landscape of altcoins, digital assets are reshaping how we think about money. But for all the hype, there's a disconnect. Traditional banks often view crypto with suspicion, making it difficult to bridge the gap between your bank account and your crypto wallet. This can be frustrating. You might be interested in exploring crypto, but traditional bank transfers to exchanges can be slow and cumbersome. Fees can add up, and the whole process feels clunky. So, what are your options? Introducing Relay, a bank built for the crypto age. This is where Relay enters the scene. Now, before we get too excited, there's a key distinction to make. There are actually two players with the name Relay in the financial world. On one hand, you have Relay Financial, a US-based neobank. While they offer some innovative features, they currently don't allow account holders to directly buy or sell cryptocurrency due to restrictions from their banking partners. The crypto-friendly side, Relay the app. But fear not, crypto enthusiasts. There's another player in the game, Relay, spelled with an I at the end. This is a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin with ease. Now, Relay isn't a bank itself, but it acts as a bridge between your existing bank account and the world of crypto. Here's how Relay makes buying crypto a breeze. Using Relay is pretty straightforward. You download the app, connect it to your bank account, and then you're ready to roll. Relay boasts a user-friendly interface that lets you buy Bitcoin with various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even Apple Pay and Google Pay. Here's the real kicker. For a limited amount each month, you can actually buy Bitcoin with zero fees. That's right, no hidden charges, just pure crypto acquisition bliss. Now, it's important to remember that using a credit card for crypto purchases might come with additional fees from your credit card issuer, so be sure to check the fine print before going that route. Beyond Bitcoin, what else does Relay offer? While Bitcoin is currently the star of the show, Relay hints at potentially expanding to other cryptocurrencies in the future. This could make it an even more attractive option for those looking to diversify their crypto portfolio. Security and control, keeping your crypto safe. Security is paramount when it comes to crypto. Thankfully, Relay takes security seriously. They utilize industry-standard security practices to keep your funds safe. However, it's important to remember that Relay is a non-custodial wallet. This means you hold the private keys to your crypto, giving you complete control, but also placing the responsibility for security on your shoulders. The verdict, is Relay the missing link for crypto newbies? So, is Relay the answer to all your crypto banking woes? Well, it depends. If you're a seasoned crypto investor, you might find Relay's limited features a bit restrictive. But for beginners or those curious about dipping their toes into the crypto pool, Relay offers a user-friendly and relatively affordable way to get started. The final word, exploring your crypto options. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and so are the ways to interact with it. Relay is a prime example of how innovative solutions are emerging to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto revolution. Remember, before diving in, do your own research and understand the inherent risks involved in cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring in the exciting world of crypto.